Hello! Join me in this adventure of our homemade yogurt recipe. It's creamy and delicious, so let's go. So to start, you'll need 2 liters of milk and yogurt as your starter. You can also purchase yogurt culture in your nearest supermarket. Bring the milk to a boil and then let it cool to a lukewarm temperature, so not too hot to kill the bacteria. Go ahead and strain the milk, and I'll be using this probiotic yogurt as my starter to ferment the milk. Mix together and then cover. I'm using a cling film to ensure that it's fully airtight. Place the milk in a warm area in your kitchen, preferably the oven, and you can cover with a cloth for better incubation. Leave it to ferment for at least 12 hours and at most 30 hours. And then open it up and you'll have your ready-made plain yogurt. You can choose to take out the yellow topper part or just mix it up with the rest of the yogurt. So if you love and enjoy plain yogurt, your journey ends here. I hope you enjoy the recipe. The next step is how to flavor your yogurt. I've narrowed it down to 3 different flavors: blueberry, strawberry, and vanilla. And I'm using strawberry jam and blueberry jam, which I do have a recipe on how to make homemade jam at home. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. So I decided to blend the jam in order to ensure that it's a bit more runny than usual for the whole mixture. Remember to add sugar if you're using vanilla essence or any other sugarless flavoring. This is yet another easy peasy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I've left more information in the description box below. Bye!